I'm happy to introduce you to my walking tour channel. My name is Tom, I'm from Germany. I'm living in Catalonia, and I'm happy to show you with this channel the beauty of Catalonia. And I hope I can also bring you some sun rays into your heart, some Spanish sun rays, and also some joy into your heart. These COVID times are not easy, but we are sticking in, no? We are moving, and I hope I can really bring you some joy into your homes with these videos. And look, it's like this, what I want to show you in my channel. The beauty of the nature, it's for free. Try to walk more, use your time in nature. It's fulfilling, it's freeing, it gives you joy, it connects you to life. And so I hope I can bring you some joy, and God bless you all.